Hi, Joe at Mr. Home Inspector here. We are looking at a plumbing drain that's been roped together to try to keep the connection at the sink connected. And as usual, it does leak and it goes into our little bucket here to prevent from going onto the floor. So the needed repair is to have a plumber come in, replace the drain trap and the tail shaft to the sink, and seal the connection at the base of the sink. Once that's done, the sink should operate just fine without any leaks, and we can get rid of our auxiliary drain trap and have everything in working order. Again, this is Joe Schmalz, Mr. Home Inspector, taking a closer look.